what's up, everybody? JLSCO with you once again. Thank you so much for tuning into my show. And that's literally what this song is about. Is doing the best that you can do. You know, that's really the goal, is to do the best that you can. You know, sometimes you may think, you know, what you're doing is fine, but I like to think, and I don't like to think, I know that, you know, things can be better. You know, there can be a lot better difference. Things could be a lot better for everybody in the world now. I'm sick and tired of hearing some of these things and not being able to PC talk. You know, you really do get tired of talking in a PC because, geez, you can't say nothing now. And I love being able to speak my mind and speak my truth, you know. And, you know, I've been fortunate, you know, to have, you know, spiritual experiences, you know, where I know that this isn't real. This is just an illusion. This is actually as if you're living, you know, a video game. And but oh jeez, man, I wish, you know, the answers are there for all of us, but we gotta be able to, you know, at this point, I really do think what's needed for some people would not be so much anything else but a strong spiritual experience with Creator, with the great reality, and that would all of a sudden explain who you are as a person, and you realize that you know, how everything you do has meaning.